Alright guys, so today we're going to look at one-step equations. So you have reviewed these in 6th and 7th grade. So 8th grade, we will not spend a lot of time on it, but we want to make sure you have the basics. So let's jump right in. So example 1. We have x plus 5 is equal to 7. Now, when you've got x plus 5 is equal to 7, you want to first undo what they've done. So x plus 5 is equal to 7. Well, I want to isolate x as the variable, so it's being added now, so I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides to undo what they have done. So subtract 5. Okay, so x plus 5 is equal to 7. I subtract 5 from both sides. Now, the 5s on the side of the x cancel out, and I get x is equal to 7 minus 5. That will give me 2. So my answer is x is equal to 2. Now for example 2. We're going to look at a subtraction problem. So let's say you have x minus 8 is equal to 11. So we have x minus 8 is equal to 11. So to undo the subtraction, I'm going to do the opposite of subtraction, which is addition. So I'm going to add 8 to both sides. Okay, so 11 plus 8 is 19. And positive 8 plus negative 8 will cancel out because a positive plus a negative of the same value equals 0. So I've got x is equal to 19. Now, let's look at example 3. Example 3, we've got 2x is equal to 16. So right here we have multiplication because 2 and x are written beside each other. So to undo multiplication, I have to use the operation division. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And watch what that does. So when I divide both sides by 2, my 2's cancel out, and I get x is equal to 16 divided by 2 is 8. Now, next to last example, we've got example 4. We've got x divided by 3 is equal to 5. So, x divided by 3 is equal to 5. So the opposite of division will be multiplication. So to get x by itself, I need to multiply both sides by 3. Thereby undoing what they have done. So I've got x is equal to 5 times 3, and 5 times 3 is 15. Now, final one, example 5. We are going to look at one where they give you a fraction. So say 2/3 x is equal to 6. So if they give you this operation, 2/3 is being multiplied by x. So to undo 2/3 times x, I need to multiply by the reciprocal. So the reciprocal is a fancy way of saying the opposite fraction. So my opposite fraction or reciprocal would be, in this case, instead of 2 over 3, it's going to be 3 over 2. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 3 over 2. Okay, so by multiplying by 3 over 2, my 3's cancel out, my 2's cancel out. And I've got x. And then I'm going to multiply 6 times 3 over 2. Well, 6 times 3 is going to give me 18 over 2, because I just multiplied straight across. And 18 divided by 2 is 9. So my answer is x is equal to 9.